Who's ready to eat a Dutch baby? Oh, come on, it's just a pancake. But unlike cooking it on a griddle, you cook it in the oven. Now, what's maybe surprising is that it's really easy to make and it's extremely delicious. I make these a lot because I actually usually have all the ingredients just sitting around. I start by turning on the oven at 475 and I take my cast iron skillet, or you can use just a round metal pan baking dish. Get that in the oven so it starts to heat up. I don't know why, but unless it's all heated up, it doesn't cook right. You're gonna want 2 eggs at room temperature, half a cup of warm milk. If you don't have it warm, you can zap it in the microwave for about 30 seconds. You're gonna wanna use a half a cup of sifted flour. You can always just swish it with a fork, a little pinch of nutmeg, and some salt, and of course some powdered sugar that you're gonna put on top. Now you're likely gonna wanna top it with some more butter, some lemon slices, or your favorite jam, maybe just good old-fashioned maple syrup. Fill a bowl with warm water if your eggs aren't room temperature, and you can let it sit there for a minute.
Otherwise, you'll be eating a flat Dutch baby.
Now you're gonna mix all your ingredients. Put in my eggs, put in my flour, put it in kind of slowly, so I don't make a big mess, although I always make a big mess. Add my salt, a little nutmeg, my milk. We're just gonna let that beat until it's a nice consistency. Give it a second, we'll speed this up. I'm gonna grab my spatula, make sure this is all free of good lumps. Maybe give it another good spin. Then I'm gonna grab my hot pan. I said it was hot. Oops, I forgot the butter. Can't forget the butter. There we go. While that's going down, I'm gonna take some more of my butter, put that in my pan. Let that get all melty. There we go, that should be good. Take this bad boy out, pour it in there like that. Get my hot pad, put it back in the oven for 12 to 15 minutes. What you're really going for is it'll start to curl up and get light golden brown. Now that our timer's gone off, I'm gonna take out our Dutch baby. You'll know it's done because it's got a nice golden brown color to it. It'll start to poof up. Might even curl up a little bit on the edges, that's okay. Then you just take your powdered sugar, give it a little shake. Personally, I like to serve it with a little bit of fresh lemon on top. I'm gonna use my Dear Sweet Mom's fresh raspberry jam. You might wanna make 2 of these. Ooh. Because you may find yourself fighting over the last slice. I'm Matt Stout, your mortgage navigator. Check out foodiemortgagegeek.com for more of my recipes and other helpful mortgage information. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Feel free to send me a message with your mortgage questions. Remember, more than that, make this moment a great one.